don't stop dreaming. That's the first one. Dreaming and achieving your goals. Don't stop putting goals after goals. I was always looking for different ways, getting out of the ordinary, getting out of a 9-5 job. The already people try their luck with stocks, with Forex, and now with crypto. I'm not a day trader anymore. I have a lot of other things to do than concentrate on the screen. But I do a lot of bot trading. My first rule is diversification.
Hello, welcome to Bitget Show. I'm your host, Vugar, and today we have all the way from the Cyprus, the islander himself, Dimos. How are you, Dimos?
I'm very good. I'm very excited to be here. It's an honor for me to visiting, first of all, the heart of Bitget, the heart of crypto also. And it's my first time and I'm very excited.
It's very great to have you, and it was an amazing honor also for us to first launch our apprentice program in Europe and having so many great talent coming together and becoming Bitget builders and helping to build communities, educating their peers within their communities. And I know that Cyprus now is becoming one of these hot places, not only for crypto, but also for technology, both because it has a very, I think, mild taxation compared to Europe. It's very close to Europe and it's always sunny and nice. How is it in Cyprus?
It's like as you described, with a bit more salt and pepper on top of it. Yes, regarding crypto space, I think that is above average than Europe. Forex companies arrived in Cyprus some years ago, which helped a lot. People start thinking differently about even banking system and about the daily jobs. Crypto, with all of the visitors we have from different countries, the regulation we have for companies and for individuals, and the climate, of course, help for a very quick crypto adoption to youngsters mostly.
That's nice. When you talk about crypto adoption, and you mentioned already a Forex, and while it was already widely accepted as an investment too, do you think people are, especially in Cyprus, they're more interested in crypto for a investment, or they're more of a day trading and capturing profits? What is a general sentiment?
Okay. We do have the communities which are concentrated on trading and highly traders, 24 hours traders. There is the part with younger people interested in working about crypto. They don't do investment, buy coins and this stuff. They concentrate on blockchain, building up applications, games, Web3, and we also have the companies who are mostly tech companies, which are seeking for developers mostly. So the adoption, I think, it's on a variety of spaces. On the other hand, we have the already people try their luck with stocks, with Forex, and now with crypto. We have the high gamblers, high lowers also, but most of the people who are really deep into it, they are interested in continue their life from now on based on crypto.
That's amazing. And what does Dimos do? What is your...
Dimos is doing a lot of stuff.
In terms of investment, do you...
In terms of investment, yes. That's a very nice question. So in terms of investment, my first rule is diversification. In investment and in daily life also. So diversification has a lot of paths of investment. The most important one is crypto. The second one is some other assets, but let's concentrate on crypto. Different portfolios, different strategies. DCA, it's a main one. Top 20, top 30 coins, holding them. It's another strategy. DCA in more volatile tokens. That's a very short amount of the portfolio. A lot of it investment in new style or new tokens like AI, real world assets. A lot of investment in technology. I like technology which has to do with some sort of investments, some sort of government adoption, some sort of daily usage by ordinary people. Rather than that, I'm not a day trader anymore. I have a lot of other things to do than concentrate on the screen. But I do a lot of bot trading, like grid bots on spot, which is like leaving a lot of time to do other things while trading is automated and running.
I love that you mentioned like a grid bot because Bitget is one of the greatest trading platforms, especially for the bot trading. Maybe you can explain to people who are watching us today what is the grid trading?
Okay. First of all, it's an amazing tool that you lose your hands. You have a strategy in your mind. You just need to express it on the paper, let's say, do the adjustments on the bot, and that's it. Start the bot, and the bot is doing the buying and sell by itself according to market movements. What I found really easy for everybody, let's say, from new users, is that when you choose the spot bot in Bitget, the settings are already made for you. So even with not a lot of knowledge, you can start putting the bot working for you. And if you want to learn something, it's another way to sit back, watch what the bot is doing, see the market, how it's moving, and start learning from the bot.
That is amazing. And that's amazing. And that's how you quit your day trading and you kind of start trusting bots doing it for you.
Yes, that's correct for me. It's, okay, all the time you need to find some more time to do something else. So when you have tools doing the job for you and leaving you the free time, what else you can ask?
That's nice. And Dimos, like when we talk backstage, you are a man of the multiple talents.
Yes.
So like, how did you come to crypto?
I was always looking for different ways, getting out of the ordinary, getting out of a 9-5 job. I never had a 9-5 job anyway. I didn't like the banking system in Cyprus. We have the crash in 2013 where banks took all the money from the people. Nobody complained though, which that was very strange. So I needed to find other solutions, either for passive income or other ways to advance my knowledge on financial basis and do something fun. So at some point I came to crypto. I started learning new stuff, and then it was like a whole world appearing in front of me.
That's great. And I know you have two beautiful children, and as a parent, because I've had so many parents on that chair, and they already had different strategies that the way they accumulate wealth or they invest for their children. Do you have any strategy where you kind of invest on behalf of your children or for your children?
I don't have a strategy. I have a rule. I have two children and then a wife, so that's 3 wives in my life right now. So I have a cold storage for one of them. Different assets though. And slowly, by taking small portions of any profits made from other investments, slowly add them in their portfolio.
That's nice. That's nice. I wish I had, like, can you add me on that list?
I'm gonna check and let you know. You need to have some characteristics, but I'm gonna teach you the technique.
That's a great technique, and I believe it's very important to take care of our loved ones and making sure that, especially, like, I know that not everyone is tech savvy or they have enough time to come and learn, or they are probably young enough. And because I recently was having a lovely chat with Da Vinci Jeremy, and he has this famous video on YouTube, like from 10, 15 years ago, where he tells people to go buy Bitcoin. And probably, like, most of us were like much younger. We were not even able to buy or invest at that age. But if it was done on our behalf, our parents, our, I don't know, elder brothers and sisters, aunts and uncles, if they did that, most of us would have much more, wealth today. That's a college fund. And I believe, at least as a parent today, it's very important to take care of our kids and do that investment, because Bitcoin was the asset that grows, much better than any other asset form in the world. And thinking another 10 years from now on, at least buying today a little bit and saving it in 10 years, they would be having much more returns.
I totally agree, but I see this move as the best option for me in order to offer something to them. But I believe the best thing for them is to educate them. Start with any form of education you can provide to them. Start doing it, because that's the best thing for them. Even you give them something ready, it might be get lost. They need to know how to earn it back, how to gain it back.
And how do you, because you are a builder, you educate communities, you build communities together. How do you do that? Like, what is...
First approach, I was trying to find different ways. Sitting down and talking, sometimes it's a bit boring, especially if the kids are young and they don't really care, or they don't want to listen, they want to play. So I tried to do a transfer once from a wallet to a cold storage wallet. And I asked my daughter, can you help? Maybe it's too difficult for me. So if you can sit next to me and help me, and we connect everything with a USB, we shut off internet, we start playing with cold storage. We wanted to see a number, then a letter, then write it down on a paper, not to make a mistake, then double check it. The whole procedure, the whole interaction, which for me it was just a click, I was so used to it. The whole interactions started, it gave something like, I don't know, like a sparkle to my daughter to check the procedure. The next time, it was easier. It was like that. I will show you. We don't need a paper. We can do a QR code. You can scan it, and it's gonna come quickly. And during the procedure, I was like, we lost it. What are we gonna do? And I was waiting to see how a reaction or something. And it was, wait a bit. It needs some time. It's not a good technology, USB stick. It's like old one. So be patient. We're gonna find it. Then open the phone, check the application, check everything that it was okay. That was a first step towards start learning something. Now I need to find different ways, but slowly in discussions or in short breaks or during a quiet period, you can say something, they catch it. Whatever you say, they catch it. Can say, what's the price? Can you check for me? I cannot check. Can you check how Bitcoin is today? And with small like movements or phrases, sentences, slowly, you need to find a way to educate them.
I think that's a great example. Like, learning in the process is very important, whether you are in a traditional business where you are going doing an internship, apprenticeship. It's very important to learn in the process, because it becomes fun, and once you learn things doing, you probably will not forget it, rather than just going and reading about it. And I always say, like, even if you want to start trading, like, you can start small and go play around it with demo account or with actual money, it doesn't matter, and then kind of figure your way out. And I believe because like you mentioned, you have young children, and for the younger generation, like especially Gen Z, like things needs to be gamified and fun and all the other things that come on top of it. And because you already gave a very valuable kind of a pieces of advices, like what will be your top 3 advice to the parents who have young kids?
To the parents, first of all, don't stop dreaming. That's the first one. Dreaming and achieving your goals. Don't stop putting goals after goals. And don't stop learning and educating yourself. And by doing this for yourself, at some point there is a need that you need to offer the learning, the spirit, let's say, the wish to learn more, to experiment more, to travel. And I believe this passed from generation to generation. The best gift you can give to your kids is to learn them what you know and persuade them to do the same for themselves.
That's cool. And when we were talking earlier about like, trading and this like a short-term gains and then locking the profit, what are things that excite you in today's market? Like, are you more into, like, because you mentioned DCA, you mentioned, top 20, 30 market cap coins, but there are also like a meme coins out there, so many opportunities to do another 10, 20x. What are you eyeing on?
I'm a hard person to get excited. I passed through bear markets so far, full of them, and to bull markets. So, yeah, these volatility gains and losses are something I'm used to it, and something everybody needs to get used to it, especially in crypto. So, something excited, I don't know, maybe to transform your earnings into something else, or transform your earnings to gain more personal experiences. That might be excited for me. That's the goal from now on anyway. But yeah, you need to be calm, not to get over-enthusiastic, not overexcited. Crypto plays with all these feelings. So at least you try to maintain and be balanced and calm. You overcome bull markets and bear markets, and you're going to be the winner at the end.
Yeah, I always say if you haven't been at least to one bull market and one bear market, it means you haven't been to crypto yet. Because especially...
That's true. For me now, I say, okay, I've been to one, now I've been in two, but how is going to be the third one? So we want to see the third one also, the fourth one also.
Because most of the people come to crypto when it's like a bull market and everyone feels lucky and genius. You buy, market goes up, and one day bear market comes. And at that point, the reality hits that, you shouldn't, as you mentioned, you shouldn't be overexcited about things. And you have always, this like a long-term strategy. Therefore, like strategy is very important. And as a part of this program that you did at Bitget, you helped to build, you helped to develop, you connected with the communities, and you connected a lot of communities together, especially in Cyprus. What would be your suggestion and ideas for people who watch us or who want to start in crypto, who are new to the crypto? What are the best ways to start?
They are not late. There is room for them also. There are always going to be room for them. Start learning, educate yourself about crypto. See around you. Get connected with communities. Get connected with whatever makes you feel comfortable with. It doesn't need to be investment. The crypto space is huge. Blockchain is huge. You can adopt crypto and blockchain in daily life. So find whatever suits your needs best and start following it. During your path, you're going to meet so many people, so many other paths, so many other opportunities. So start now. Start now.
That's amazing. At the 6th season of Bitget Show, we were having a great guest who were part of the Bitget Apprenticeship Program, Bitget Builders, who made it to the top and came to enjoy the actually on-site program here in Dubai under my supervision. And today's guest was Dimos. Thank you very much.
Thank you too. It was a pleasure to be here.
You are watching Bitget Show, and I was your host, Vugar.